Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a disabled iPhone. First, ensure your device is connected to a computer with iTunes or Finder installed. This is crucial for the restoration process. If you haven't backed up recently, some data might be lost, so always try to keep current backups. A disabled device means you've entered the wrong passcode too many times, typically 10 incorrect attempts, locking you out completely. To begin, you need to put your device into recovery mode. Connect your device to your computer. Then, press and hold the home button and the side or top button simultaneously. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen, which shows a computer icon and a cable. This step prepares your device for the restoration process, allowing your computer to recognize it. Once in recovery mode, open iTunes or Finder on your computer. You will see a prompt offering to restore or update your device. Choose the Restore option. This will erase all data and settings, installing the latest software. The process can take several minutes, so ensure your computer remains connected to the internet and your device stays plugged in throughout. After the restoration is complete, you can set up your device as new or restore from a previous backup. Remember to create strong, memorable passcodes and enable Face ID or Touch ID for added security. Regularly back up your device to iCloud or your computer. This ensures your data is safe and makes future recovery much simpler, saving you time and stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.